we going today? We're going along the river.
We're gonna go for a walk in the rain.
You're gonna walk in the rain. Whoa.
It's a hairy.
Woodpecker? Oh, wow. Look.
Look at that.
What is it? See if our viewers can tell.
Dirty.
Oh.
That's
That is a
great.
hairy
Look on this
woodpecker.
side.
Yeah, I see.
Look at that white.
Hairy woodpecker. Look at that white patch down the back.
He's got a little red on top of his head.
Red on top of the head.
He's got a big bill.
Big bill. The bill is about as long as the head. So if you take the size of the bill, move it backward, you see it's about as long as the head. If it's shorter than the head, then it's a downy woodpecker. Otherwise, they look very similar.
Almost identical.
Almost identical. There's one more key visual characteristic of a downy woodpecker, and that is if you can look at the outside edge of the white tail feathers, there are black dots. The hairy woodpecker is pure white.
You're right. That's a great tip.
Yeah. Well, notice this drummer. You can almost count the number of notes. Therefore, it's a downy woodpecker. This drumming pattern is distinctive. It's slow enough you can almost count the notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And a hairy woodpecker is much faster. You think the little bird would be faster. Opposite. Downy's slow, hairy's fast.
Here's the hairy woodpecker. Here's the downy woodpecker.
Get one more view from here. That's pretty good.
So to me, that's remarkable.
That is remarkable. Downy woodpecker in a basically pure conifer forest.
Where you'd think it would be a hairy habitat.
Yeah, and so both of them are here, obviously. We just saw the hairy. The downy is primarily a deciduous forest bird. So cottonwood bottomlands, aspen, stream-side riparian. You know, there are streams that go through here and maybe nesting in that area, but unusual to see downy woodpecker in pure conifer forest.
Yeah.
So basically, hairy and downy, really similar looking, but this hairy woodpecker that we saw in the burned forest, right? It didn't look at all like the field guides. It was very dark on the front, and so in these cases, it's a dirty hairy.
Oh, bad.
Its front is all dark from the blackened tree trunks when it's foraging in the burned forests.
The other thing I think about differences of is the habitat placement of these birds. So downy does not feed normally on big branches in the trunk.
Right.
That's where you're going to see a hairy. And in that picture on the top of the tree, it was at the very tippy top of the tree on a tiny little stalk.
Right, so they operate on smaller diameter branches and twigs, whereas the hairy woodpecker tends to operate at the bole of the tree, or a lot of times on down trees. You see them foraging for ants and things. I don't know what they're doing on the
Right.
down trees.
Well, it was a great day.
Great day.
We'll see you later.
See you later when we head out to try to find
Yellow warbler.